Hello adventurers, travelers, and friends, and welcome back to a Bragworthy Adventures video. I'm your host Rose, and today we are diving into some product testing. This is a packing cube. You have probably heard of packing cubes before. Tons of travelers swear by these. They think they're a great way to organize your items, efficiently pack your items, and keep your items organized out on the road. I have used packing cubes for years, and I really enjoy them. I'm an organized person, and it's like carrying a drawer with you. It has nice little handles on the top. I can pull them out. I can just put this entire thing into a drawer when I'm at a hotel so that I feel like I'm settled in, and then I can easily put the things back into it and put it back in my bag in the same organizational method. Now, recently I heard of something else, compression bags. I was doing a video with Cheers to Travels on how to pack for a 6-month trip to Southeast Asia, and this, not this exact brand, but this sort of product is what she used in her bag, and honestly it looked like she had so much room. Now, I'm planning a trip to 12 countries over 6 months, and I am not naturally a minimalist. I'm working on that, but I'm a little nervous about how much I'm going to be able to fit in my bag. So I want to experiment with these two items. I want to see which one I can pack efficiently and effectively with, and which one I should bring on this trip with me. So I'm going to take an entire drawer of clothing and an away suitcase, and I am going to use one and then the other and pack as much clothing as I can into that suitcase and see how long it takes me to pack and how many items of clothing I can fit. So I hope you're excited on seeing how these products work and how they might be effective for you on your journeys. And I'm excited to play with these things. If you like videos about travel products, about travel methods, and about realistic travel expectations, go ahead and subscribe below. I make tons of videos like this and videos out on the road that you might enjoy. But let's get right to it. Let's start packing. There's our first one. Maybe I'll come back to this one and pack more because it zipped almost too easily, which means perhaps I didn't put it all the way to its fullest, but every once in a while when I use packing cubes, I'll fill them, like this, and then when I'm doing my last minute, oh no, what ifs, that's when I shove extra things in these guys. I will say when it comes to packing, from drawer to cube, it's really nice if you use a good packing method. Like I use KonMari folding, and I'm able just to pull it out from one and put it in another. Okay, so I've got an empty drawer and some full packing cubes. Now my suitcase only seems to have a sliver of space right here and a small pocket of space right here. It was 49 items that I fit in there with the packing cubes, and it took up almost all of the space in the away suitcase. So now we get to try our compression bags. So I don't know if you can tell, these are still in the box. I haven't opened them ever. This will be my first time using them. I'll do 4 carry-on size and then the 2 little pouch size. It's not exactly like what I had with those, but I mean, can't be exact. This isn't an exact science. This is soft sciences. Let's see how these guys pack. I'm gonna start with the really small one. Oh, yeah, I'm trying, you need to roll towards the bottom. Vacuum sealed. Makes my clothing look like a meat package. I'm gonna try and lay it all on top of each other too, instead of like rolled up. So I think I'm gonna stop adding clothing, even though I could get another compression bag and I could add clothing. I think the important thing is to look at the fact that these compression bags already have more clothes than what were in the packing cubes, but we have more space. So I think that is important. I feel like this is less bulging. I feel like we have this whole area right here, the whole area down there. We've got a little square right here, and that is not what it looked like with packing cubes. So already you can see we've got more space than what we had. We've got 53 items instead of 49, which is only a couple more items, but still just the fact that I could add more, and I probably could have added more than that. But I really just felt like this is a good way to compare, you know, the fact that they can fit more and the fact that they allow more space. So I am gonna unpack these, and I mean, obviously you can tell some of my thoughts there, but I have some other things I wanna share, so just hold up a minute. I'll meet you back up top, and I'll give you the final review. I would say when it comes to packing cubes and compression bags, both is the best option. And here's why. I think packing cubes are perfect for shirts and pants. I don't think they do well with swimsuits, underwear, things that are kind of like hard to make in straight little rows. It's perfect. When you can pull them straight out of the drawer and put them into the packing cube, all neatly stacked, like the shirts that I had, then it looks great and it packs great, and it makes it easy for you to pack and unpack and to bring with you and to organize. But whenever I have to shove things in there, it doesn't really save the space needed, and it's not like it's really doing anything other than separating something out in a specific grouping, which could be done with the compression bag. So for, say, swimsuits, where, I mean, and how do you fold a swimsuit? You don't fold a swimsuit. You just take your swimsuit and you kind of just like tuck it in there or like roll it up. It'd be easier to just literally throw the swimsuit in the compression bag, roll it up, and then you've saved yourself some space. So I think on my big trip, I'm gonna be bringing a couple of these compression bags as well as some packing cubes. So those are my thoughts. I hope you enjoyed. I hope if you're trying to decide whether to use compression bags or packing cubes that this was helpful. I hope it was good to see how they fit in bags, how they work, and if you have any other products you want me to test, go ahead and tell me in the comments below and tell me what kind of person you are. Are you a compression bag person or a packing cube person? Give me your thoughts. And as always, thanks so much for watching. Bye, travelers.